This is our first Christmas as a married couple, and we decided to host for both of our families. I also decided to take on the task of making all of the food because I'm a control freak, and otherwise I would have had to have made a Google Docs, have people sign up for stuff, create a menu in advance, etc., etc. And I'm a crazy person, so you know what? I just took on the task. I made a fabulous lemon bundt cake from scratch, mind you. I also made a spinach dip from a packet. All I had to do was add mayonnaise and sour cream, and it was delicious. I made ranch for our veggies out of the packet, mayonnaise and milk to do the dressing version, not the dip version. The dressing is so much better. Then I made a dessert dip, key lime pie. It was so good. It was my first time making pigs in a blanket, and it wasn't too hard. I actually shaped them in the shape of a wreath and put rosemary and cranberries around the edges, and it was so freaking cute. I buttered them and put salt on top, and they were delicious. I've had these meatballs at a party before too, so went ahead and made them because they were yummy. Grape jelly and ketchup only, super easy. And of course, I had to make my holiday shaped Nutella puff pastries. They're so delicious and super cute. They were just a perfect addition for the dessert section of my spread. I thought it would be super cute to use wrapping paper as a base for everything, and I unpacked my trays and my serving utensils, some cups I had from last year, and I had some really cute trays that my mom let me use as well. These ones right here, they had like Christmas trees and stuff. Then my adorable plates, cups, and napkins. This is what everything looked like before food got put out, and this is the final spread. It looked absolutely fantastic, abundant, fabulous, delicious, yummy, fantastic. All of the things. I was so freaking proud of this, and everybody loved everything. Would I do it again? Yes. My ankles were burning and I was exhausted, but it was worth every single moment. I'm pretty sure we'll offer to host again next year because we just had an absolute great time with all of our family. Hope you had a Merry Christmas.